In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish a site on Wix. Whether you're looking to temporarily take your site offline or make some extensive updates without having your visitors see them, unpublishing your Wix site is a simple process. Let's dive right in and walk you through the steps to unpublish your Wix website seamlessly. To start, you'll need to access your Wix website editor. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Wix homepage. Once there, log into your Wix account. Upon successful login, you should be directed to your Wix dashboard where you can see all your current projects. From here, locate the site you want to unpublish. For this tutorial, we'll be focusing on how to do it from the Wix website editor. Next, go ahead and click on your site to open the Wix editor. Once inside the editor, move your attention to the top of the page where you'll find a menu with several options. Here, look for the section titled Site. It should be readily visible in the editor interface. Clicking on Site will bring up a small drop-down menu with several useful options ranging from site settings to publishing features. Now find and click the option labeled Unpublish Site. Doing so initiates the unpublishing process. This is an important step if you want your site to no longer be accessible to the public. Selecting this option usually ensures your site is taken offline immediately, making it unavailable for visitors to view. After you click Unpublish Site, a dialog box or prompt may appear to confirm your action. This is a standard procedure designed to ensure that you intentionally want to take your site offline. Go ahead and click the Unpublish button within this confirmation prompt. Once this is done, your Wix site will be unpublished until you decide to publish it again. You might see another prompt confirming that your site has been successfully unpublished. If for some reason you need your site to go live again, simply revisit the site editor and look for the Publish option, which works similarly and will return your site to its fully online status. Remember, unpublishing your site does not erase any data or content within it. Everything remains safe and sound within your Wix account, and you can make any modifications or updates while it's unpublished without any risk of your audience seeing the changes. Once you're ready, you can publish your site again to make it visible to the public. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to unpublish a site on Wix. This feature gives you the control to manage your site's availability based on your specific needs and timing. Thanks for watching, and have a great day managing your website with ease.